Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Huawei Nova Y70 and you need to do a hard reset on it or a hard restart, factory restart. I'm going to show you how. Keeping in mind, once you do this, everything will be gone off your phone. Your contacts, your photos, your apps, everything. It will be like it was when it came out of the box. If that's what you want to do, we can go ahead and get started. You're just going to have your phone turned off, and while it's turned off, you're going to press and hold the power and volume up buttons. You're just going to press and hold them until the phone vibrates like it is turning on. And when you do this, it will turn on in the recovery mode, and you can use the volume up and down to toggle through these menu items. And you're going to toggle down to Wipe Data Factory Reset. And then you will hit the power button to confirm that. Once you do that, it will take you to this confirmation page where it says wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. And again, now it's highlighted in blue, the factory data reset. Once you hit that power button, there's no going back. Everything will be deleted off your phone and it will be like new. Once you click that, it'll take a couple minutes to do that. And once that's done, then you can go ahead and reboot it and your phone will turn on like it did when it came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.